Thank you for coming back and another adventure.
We're here at Limbo Nature Center.
It looks like a nice place. A little tip for you guys: if you want to come here, you gotta come early.
Yeah, earlier than the park opens. I would encourage you. Last time
at 9.
Came here at 9 and the parking lot was slam full.
Yeah, so
this is a Saturday, so
this is another day we come because I like nature and look how nice stuff they have. So
look at this. We're sitting here next to some leatherbacks. We got all kinds of sea turtles.
We're the first one in this park. Nobody else than us.
We're having nice videos today.
So come and enjoy the park with us.
You're gonna like it. We got squirrels in the background over here.
Peter's gonna walk the park and I'm gonna, what do you say?
She's gonna scoot the park. Oh, Scooter McGavin.
Come on. Stop.
So here we are with Maria, scooting her way over to the butterfly garden. Because of course, if there's a butterfly garden, which there is, Maria is gonna make sure that's our first stop. And when you're coming in, there's a little sign right here
Boardwalk is open.
to make sure you don't know where you're getting lost.
The boardwalk is open at 7.
Boardwalk open at 7 a.m. to sundown. Downhill rally racers. I know you can't see it, but she's going downhill right now. Oh, now it's uphill. Keep going. This is the amphitheater. What? You guys see him? He's a robber. He's wearing a mask. Careful for the robbers when you come here. Next to the robbers, you got an amphitheater. If you want to tell jokes to your friends, be like, hey, hey. No jokes from me.
You don't remember not even one now.
I can say a lot of jokes, but they're probably not YouTube appropriate. Even though I'm not YouTube appropriate, so. Wow, look at the size of their wings. Never thought they were actually that big. 7-foot pelican wingspan. Pretty big. Man, my favorite tree. A willy dilly. Yeah, nobody knows about these, but my favorite, the willy dilly. Something about that willy dilly name just makes him my favorite.
This is like houses in Cuba. Or...
You used to have a house like this in Cuba, Maria?
Yep.
Maria's roof in Cuba when she was a little girl.
My floor was not like this.
Was like that. But her floor wasn't like this. This is way nicer than the floor she had in her house.
Yeah.
The floor in her house used to look like that when she was a little girl.
Yep.
And then people wonder why Maria's so happy.
I'm a married kid. So this is the way we gotta go now?
Oh, it's gonna get tough that way. You wanna try it?
Of course.
Alright, it's just freshly mulched. Brakes, baby, brakes.
I don't know how to use the brake.
What do you mean? You hear that, babe?
Yeah.
They saw a snake.
I know, library.
There's a snake in these parks. Hey, look at that raccoon.
Oh, it's moving now.
He ran up the tree. Those people said he didn't move for them. For some reason, he saw Alpha in me. He's like, oh shit, here comes a real one. I better get out the way if I know it's good for me. Come on.
Oh, now it's open.
It opens at 9 o'clock. But the nature trail opens at 7, everybody. Don't be afraid. Give it a whirl. So once you make your way out of the butterfly garden trail, you go back past the front of the main entrance over here. And on the opposite side, look at that Lone Ranger in the parking lot. Huh? That willy dilly tree over there. Yep, I know. We brought the sexiest thing here. Maria on the scooter. What is that? What's that noise? What are you? Oh, there you are. Hi. Can you see that, guys? It's Birdie Bird. Hi, Birdie. And she's going for the garden. She's going for the fresh move.
Got an adventure here right now.
She's got an adventure here. Just grab the handrail on that side so you could use it as your leg.
No, what I want to do is you put this up.
I'll bring that up. You hold that one over there. Look, it's going to be easier for you to hold that one.
No, this one.
Your leg's on the other side, baby.
Oh, yeah.
See? Tried to tell you. Can't be stopped. I tell you, she can't be stopped. Unstoppable, I tell you. And with the Freshie, brand new wood brakes. Brakes. All right, downhill warrior.
Oh, wait. This way or that way?
It's up to you. What do you think?
They don't matter, right?
It seems like it's a loop.
So, always right, right?
Always right, never left, because we're not leftist.
Always right.
We migrated away from it.
Huh?
Nothing. That we migrated away from the left.